should uniform be imposed in school or college? It means, don't do you think so that even the uniform code system, I mean dress code system, should be imposed in school or college? Even if you think that yes, it should be imposed in school, then why? It should be imposed in college, then why? What are the major points? What are the major features which are very important to understand why the government, why the school management impose the dress code, uniform code for the students, and what are the reason, what are the benefits, and even you also highlight what are the demerits of uniform code system or either dress code system, both things, and finally you will give your conclusion. What do you want to say? What do you want to speak? What is your opinion? I tell you many times, and I can say that how many times do I need to tell you that even the environment is also the power to improve your language. So that's why I tell you that the very important thing for speaking English is the environment. And here we have created that environment where each and every student can speak and improve himself or herself. And I must know that when you go outside, you don't find this environment. So that is why I call you again and again for the sitting in this group discussion class, and you will be a good speaker and you can improve your language. So dear students, today already the topic has been given to you, and I expect some points from your side, and you speak one by one, give your own views about it, and you prove your speaking power.
Well, great morning everyone.
Great morning to you.
Today we gather here to group discussion on the topic, should uniform be imposed in school or college? As we know that everywhere we see the uniform or dress code, like school, college, any institute, and medical field, military field, sport field, and many other fields. And we know that uniform is the most important for every institute because it creates discipline, equality, reduce economical status among the student. Because when we go to school, and we know that in school many type of students study in school, and like rich children, poor children, and middle class children, and they mostly wear clothes their financial status, and if they wear clothes, expensive clothes, then other children think that those children are wear expensive and we have not that much expensive. That time it create comparison with poor and rich person children. That's why it is more important to have the uniform in school or colleges, and it creates responsibility because when we wear same clothes in one field, then they feel we are same, and if some work have to do with together, and when we do together in any work, then easily complete, and they learn from a lot of things like teamwork, and we know that we should help each other, and we know that every person should develop their friendship, and some people say that uniform is not important in school or colleges because according to them they think that it may be costly uniform for school or colleges, but it is not matter that it is costly because in school or colleges and everywhere I think uniform is not that much expensive. They easily afford and buy that uniform and clothes. And uniform by uniform, their identity and it's identify the school or colleges. Because if someone enter the school or colleges, then teachers and students are easily know that that person is not the school, not from the school or colleges, and it is the security of school or colleges. And we go to picnic or anywhere, then they wear same clothes and uniform. Then if some student go anywhere and if it is a situation create that someone have to search that person and find, then they can easily know that students are there and over there. That's why in other field, sorry.
A very good morning, everyone. I am Suraj Munda. I am student of Birsa Munda DAV Residential Public School, Bundu. I am here to say something about topic should uniform be imposed in school or college. Uniform is very important in any field like school, institute, and any profession work because it helps to remove the discrimination among us on the basis of financial status. It helps us then to create unity, discipline, and many others. In school hour, when any small children lost anywhere and someone saw him on dress, so they will recognize him and send them to school. But it has disadvantage also. In some school, its uniform is business for schools because they impose many dresses. So parents will not provide students or any facility to them. Thank you, sir.
Good morning everyone, myself Sakshi Mehta and today I would like to say my point of view on a topic, should uniform be imposed in school and college? I believe school uniform offers a real benefit especially for the student. It's create equality among student and promote equality. In my opinion, school uniform should be imposed because it's promote equality among students. And when every student wears same type of dress, there is less comparison based on clothing, fashion, and family incomes. And it creates a sense of unity and reduce discriminations. School uniform should be imposed because it also helps to students focus on their study rather than worried about what to wear every day. And it's also help to be a discipline and maintain student daily routine and develop their personality and professional attitude. In conclusion, I believe that It's help to students to improve their morning routine, and to be a disciplined person, and it's also help to develop their personality and professional attitude. Thank you.
Of you, I can speak about. First, I speak about one thing. Anybody have no discipline and or not? Anybody can speak this speech. Anybody can no stand and to speak this speech. I am the. I am a. I am give you an example for this thing. You can go to speak in a stage, and you will speak, and you in your stage you have no chairs and no things to say. And you can speak to stand up, and no anybody can no stand up and no not he and she not stand up. Please next time in other class in next time, sir. So we next class you will stand up, please. And we will go to the next topic. Should we uniform be enforced in school or colleges? Not. I have two topics of this topic. First of all, discipline. We will wear uniform in the schools. We will see the discipline in all students and all members in schools and my friends. And we will go to the peer. We will see like a disciplined person, and otherwise I will not or he will not wear the school uniform. He will not see like a disciplined person. And next topic is the security. I will wear the school uniform, and this type of kid, he will wear this type of uniform. He will secure because otherwise he will not wear the uniform of his school. He will easily kidnapped. Otherwise, he wear the uniform. He will have some security for some people. He will not get for other person to go to other person. Thank you to all of you to listen my speech.
Discuss about should uniform be imposed in school and college. It is very important in our school life. It is not only follow in school and college. It is follow all field of government and private. It is of us a sense of unity and discipline. When we are well uniform, we feel proud, and we look same and equality. When we are wake up in the morning and ready to going to school, we are not think about what we are well. It is simple and save time. When we are wear school uniform, it is make us identify as a student of our school. Thank you very much.
Well, good morning everyone. Hi, this is Ganesh Manga. Thank you sir to give me a golden chance to say something about today's topic. Should uniform be imposed in school or college? Imposing uniforms in school is highly beneficial because it equalizes social background, eliminates peer pressure, overpressure, and boosts campus safety. However, colleges students should generally have the freedom to choose their attire as this pass is meant to foster individuality and adult decision making. That's all. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Guru.
Very good morning, everyone. Hi, this is Arun Ram. First of all, thank you, sir, for giving me a golden chance to say something about this topic. And the topic is, should uniform be enforced in school and college or not? This is a major topic if we support the argument that the uniform should be enforced in school and college. There are several strong and practical reasons behind it, such as first, sense of equality. Many types of students study in school and college. All students wear the same clothes. Because of this, anyone financial status cannot be judged by their expensive and cheap clothes. Students from weak financial background, they do not feel inferior by looking at the fashion of other students. Second, discipline. Uniforms make realize that students, they are at a place of learning and grooming. At the same time, it instills a sense of team, institution and unity among the students. Third, preventing distraction. Students do not waste time in the morning thinking about what to wear today. Fourth, identification. In an outsider enters school and college campus, they can be identified immediately. When going outside school and college, it is easy to identify the students of one's institution in a crowd. But there are also some disadvantages of uniform. First, financial burden. Many times school and college uniforms are very expensive and they have to be purchased only from a specific shop, which puts an additional financial burden on poor families. Second, physical comfort. Every student's body is different. The same type of fabric and fitting is not comfortable for every student in every season, which distracts their attention from studies. That's all. Thank you.
Respected teacher and my dear friends, good morning. I am Bharati Kumari. Today I am going to speak on the topic, should uniform be enforced in schools and colleges? In my opinion, uniform play a very important role in a student's life. First, uniform wearing equality when everyone wears the same clothes, the difference between rich and poor. It appears every student looks equal. Second, it creates discipline and a sense of unity among students. It teachers used to respect rules. Third, it saves a lot of time in the morning because we don't have to waste time thinking about what to wear every day. Will some people feel that college should give freedom of clothes? I believe that a uniform gives use because on our studies rather than fashion. Therefore, uniform should definitely be maintained in schools and colleges. Thank you.
Well, good morning everyone. Good morning. Hi, this is Poonam Kumari. Thank you for giving me a wonderful opportunity to say something about this topic. And today's topic is, should uniform be imposed in school or college? First of all, I want to explain about uniform. Uniform means many more people wear the same clothes. It is called uniform, and there are three key features of uniform. First, same color, same design, and same clothes. And according to me, uniform should be imposed in school or college. And my first point is equality and end of discrimination. Suppose we all go to school and and we all are wear the same dress, then as we all know that in schools many types of two types of students. There are two types of students. First, some students belongs poor and some students rich, and we will wear the dress means uniform. Then we don't think that who students belongs rich and poor, and we can say that we don't find each other and gradually reduce the discrimination and as well as create the equality in this classroom. And my second point is safety and save time. First, suppose that we have to attend the party. Then after go to party, then I think that which type of dress wear. About many more spend this time that we will whose dress wear. But in schools or college, I have a dress, same dress. But we don't think that whose dress wear. I have a fixed dress that we will wear this dress. And safety. Suppose that in schools a student run away from the schools. Then a teacher we can easily find out which dress, because children run away the school. Then many types of people, seeing the many types of people that he is a student of this school, and inform the teacher and he can find easily. And third point is discipline. Suppose that if we will wear the dress, then we can think that we all have we have a mood in study, and we all have a state. We have a student state, and teacher whatever the teacher said and listen carefully. And many types of demerits of uniform. Suppose that we have to go to school. Then I already said that if you will wear the same dress, then decrease the discrimination. But if you will not same dress, then increase the discrimination. Many people think that, many students think that he belongs rich and poor, and we do not judge that uniform. Suppose that we have many types of things like lunch box, stationery things, watch, bottle, and many types of things. Rich belongs to rich family. Students think that students has expensive things, but belongs poor family. Students think that I have a low price of things. Then create the discrimination and fight each other. And uniform is not just a cloth; it is a symbol of discipline. That's all. Thank you.
First, thank you, sir. You give me opportunity to say something about this topic. And today's topic is should uniform be imposed in school, college? In my point of view, uniform should imposed every school, college, because without uniform school became like market, fire, all type of student study in school college, who belong to poor family, someone belong to rich family. That time, poor student think our school student, that student wear expensive clothes. They wear expensive clothes. They think I have only one clothes. Many students think they who wear 5,000 shoes, I wear only 500 shoes. They will focus only discrimination. They don't develop any skill and study. Uniform learners discipline. Uniform learners also our identity is not clothes brand. Our identity is our discipline, our skill, our knowledge. As a safety uniform must need for student. Suppose that our school teacher took us out of picnic. Then that time one student got selected from school student group. Then sir can easily find if they wear uniform. So uniform give us safety also. Uniform save us social discrimination. Uniform remove social gap, economic gap. So we can say it is not cloth also. It is symbol of discipline and knowledge. That's all. Thank you very much.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Wonderful.
First of all, great morning everyone. Respected sir, thank you so much for giving this opportunity to speak. This is Rahul Kumar. Today I would like my share on the topic. And today topic name is should uniform be imposed in school and college? School uniform can play important role in school life. It creates among equality among students because everyone wear the same dress. Rich and poor people look equal, and which reduce discrimination and fashion competition. School uniform are also help maintain the discipline and give students sense of unity and school identity. On the other hand, students some like uniform reduce from personal freedom. They cannot wear clothes for their own choice. Sometimes school uniform are also expensive or uncomfortable for some families. In the conclusion, school uniform are both advantage and disadvantage, but in my opinion, school uniform are be compulsory because they promote discipline and equality and a better learning environment. That's all. Thank you so much.
Very good.
Thank you to all for giving me this chance to speak something on should uniform be imposed on school or colleges. So first of all, let us know what is uniform. Uniform is the dress that we wear. Uniform is the dress that we wear in school or colleges. It is the dress that everyone wear in school or colleges, and not only in school or colleges. It is also where it is also used in different fields such as in cricket teams and doctors have their own uniform, police have their own uniform. So now let us know about let me know about why uniform is important. Uniform is important as it reduces the gap between rich and poor. Let take an example. Rich students wear expensive clothes, while poor students wear normal clothes, which shows gap between rich and poor. It may lead to discrimination among them. So if uniform is used, it reduces the gap between rich and poor. Now its disadvantages. Uniform has disadvantages as uniform in some schools are very expensive. Some schools tie up with some shop and made it compulsory to buy uniform from that shop only. So it is the disadvantages. That's all. Thank you.
Speak up.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Thank you for giving me a chance to say something on the topic. Should uniform be imposed in school or college? Uniform is a dress code of students that must follow in school and college. There are many advantages of wearing uniform. First of all, it saves our time. Just we have to wake up in the morning or wear it, and we are ready to go without any drama or stress. Uniform reduce equality among the students, and when we wear uniform it looks like a team and also create a unity among them. Then I talk about its demerit. School uniform often made of cheap cloth which feels too hot in summers and too cold in winter. It is difficult to sit in a classroom for 6 to 7 hours with uncomfortable cloth and tight. Thank you. That's all for today.
Good morning, everyone.
ऑन करो ऊपर
Well, great morning, everyone. Hi, this is Civil Ora. I am studying in class 7 in Gurukul Vidya Niketan. Thank you, sir. Give me a golden chance to say something about this topic. Today's topic is should uniform be involved in school and college. Uniform means every student wear the same clothes in school and college. It makes all students look like equal, and there is no difference between rich and poor. Uniform saves time because students do not need to what is wear daily. It helps students to stay disciplined and focused on studies. That's all. Thank you.
Topic is should uniform be imposed in school and college? Uniform means that everyone the same clothes in school and college. It makes students look equal, and there is no difference between rich and poor. Uniform saves time because students do not need to choose what to wear the daily. Good morning, everyone.
morning.
Hi, this is Sayanti Kumari. Thank you so much to give me a golden chance to speak something about this topic. Today's topic is, should uniform be compulsory in school and college? In my opinion, uniforms are very important in every school. They remove the difference between rich and poor. They help students focus study. Uniform save time. No need choosing clothes. If students wear uniform, they feel confident and equal. In calculation, uniforms make students equal and responsible. So uniform should compulsory in school. That's all. Thank you.
Well, great morning everyone. Hi, this is Rupa. Thank you sir for giving me a golden chance about this topic. Today's topic is, should uniform be imposed in school and college? Uniform should be compulsory in school and college because they make all students look equal. Students don't worry about fashionable clothes, so their uniform is great discipline and unity among students. They help parents save money because fewer clothes are needed. Therefore, school and college uniform good for students. Thank you very much.
Great morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Hi, this is Pooja Kumari. I read in class 7. Thank you, sir. Give me a golden chance to say something about this topic. And today's topic is, should uniform be imposed in school and college? Yes. School uniform should be compulsory because it creates equality among students, maintains discipline in the school, and all gives identity to everyone. However, strong arguments are given in both its favor and against its. That's all. Thank you. Well, great morning, everyone.
Morning.
I am Jyoti Kumari. I am the student of class 8 in Sitaram Saraswati Shishu Mandir. Thank you, sir. Give me a golden chance to say something about this topic. Today is topic to say something again school and college. They add us a social lived reduce important in student to wear expensive status clothes and minimizing best on appearing. Thank you.
Well, great morning everyone.
Great morning to you.
I am very thankful to all of you for giving me a golden chance to say something about this topic, and today's topic, should uniform be imposed in school and college. In my point of view, uniform should imposed in school and college because uniform creates equality among the students. It is very important for all students without uniform, all students recognize easily this is what is this student's name. But at that time, suppose all students wear same clothes in school and college, so don't easily recognize that person who is your name. It is the biggest reason of uniform, and many benefits of uniform. First, so discipline. Suppose all students wear only uniform dress, and in classroom, so discipline, because I am just talking about our institute. In current time, we all different type of dress wear and sit here, and in institute we don't recognize that who is he and she, because of different type of clothes. And same thing in school and college, all students wear same clothes, so all students see same because of uniform. And the second thing is this save time. Save time. We all in school time and college time, we all are wear only dress code. Without dress code, you don't enter schools and college guard. And that time you don't think that today I want to go school and college, so which dress wear. This time you don't think, because you have only one option. You go to school with the uniform. It is saves our time, and so school identity and college identity. Suppose that you go to school and college, and you don't enter in school and college, and you go another side, so other people see to you all, and that time other people know that children, that students belong which schools and colleges because of uniform. Uniform symbol of any college and schools, and very less demerits of uniform. First, limits freedom, because in summer and summer season and many other season, uniform is okay, but in rainy season, suppose we have only one dress code, and unfortunately your uniform don't dry, so you have no option that you wear one day you wear other dress and go to school, because in school rules regulation, without uniform you don't enter in schools. It is demerits of uniform. And second thing is this additional expenses, because all children are not belong to a rich family, because some students belong very poor family, and their family only arrange only for study books and one dress. But sometimes some school and college many type of dress provides like study dress and exercise dress. So that time which belong very poor students, their family are not provide all facility. It is the merits of uniform. That's all. Thank you very much.
I am very thankful to say something about this topic, and today's topic is should uniform be imposed in school and college. So in my opinion, yes, uniform should be imposed in school and college. Let me explain this some points. My first point is uniform create equality, because when all students are wearing same dresses, then no one feel rich and poor. Everyone looks equal, and this build confidence. And my second point is uniform bring discipline and focus, because wearing the proper uniform then make student feel serious about school and their studies. And third point is uniform save time and money, because students do not think about this what we wear, and also parents don't have buy many type of expensive clothes. And uniform also create a sense of unity. It so that all student belong to one school and one identity. However, some people think uniform should be stopped, because it is their personal reason, but school is a place for learning, not for fashion show. So I believe that school uniform is very important and should be compulsory. That's all. Thank you.
Well, great morning all of you. Great morning, sir. Good morning. I am very thankful to all of you to get this environment and this opportunity to share my opinion on today's topic, that should uniform imposed in school or college. I strongly feel that it is very compulsory in school or colleges and different types of institute, because it creates a equal environment and equal mindset towards a better future, I can say. Because if you are in institute, then obviously there will be different categories wise persons and students, and obviously you will be attracted by their attire. That's what they use in dress code, it may be, and it may uniform. So it attracts us toward mindset, a rich mindset, and it will discriminate that we are low than other. So it should be compulsory in my views. And if you are in a uniform, then your final goal will be clear, that if you will be casual and usual with your uniform and dress code, then you will be more comfortable in your future workplace, and it will create a positive environment between your friend circle and your your colleagues. And next is, I want to say that it prevents that if you are not in uniform, then you will be part of a discrimination that I am big and rich than other, and this mindset I can say lose your confidence, and it will just take you in a wrong way that I am better than other. Then you will just judge according to uniform, not according to your knowledge. So if you are in a uniform, then you will just think that I will have to do something in mindset and in a knowledge and educational way, and that will academic studies, and you will be you will not be distracted by others dress code. That if suppose if you are in a classroom and a fancy dress has worn by some students, then obviously your eyes will be focused on their dress, means their fancy dress, not in your studies and academic whatever curriculum activities will be there. So accept it, your mind will be focused on, or I can say attracts on those students wearing clothes. So I feel so that you can't stop it. So it is very good decision to use uniform and dress code, and I can say it promotes inclusivity. I mean to say, like social economic gaps, it reduces, and you are preventing from being judged and bullied by the dress, by the fancy dress and name and trend and fashion. Because of the name of trend and fashion, you can be bullied by your dress, fancy dress. So it is very clear that in social platforms like school and colleges and different types of institute, it must be uniform based, not like I means they don't think so that it is costly and expensive, but it is moderate, I think, and they every people, they are living in that society, they are comfortable with that dress code, and they can easily admit their children and sons in that school which is based on uniform, and it builds our mindset that we are similar with each other. That's all. Thank you.